So you signed up for ChatGPT, and now you're just staring at the blinking cursor waiting for it to magically write your homework. Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you how to actually use ChatGPT like a pro tool. ChatGPT, aka your AI buddy. That won't ghost you. It can help you write YouTube scripts, emails, tweets, study notes, even recipes that sound healthy. Let's start simple. Prompt. Give me 5 video ideas for a YouTube channel about productivity. Watch it go. This alone could save you hours of overthinking. Trust me, I'm a chronic overthinker. Now let's spice it up. Prompt. Write a YouTube intro in a casual tone with a joke. Boom. It even roasts itself. Who needs a comedy writer? When you've got AI, want it to sound smarter? Prompt. Make this intro sound more professional. Want it to sound dumber? Prompt. Rewrite this for a 12-year-old. You get the idea, you're the boss here. Bonus tip. Give it context. Instead of saying, write me a blog, try. Write a 300-word blog post about time management for college students with a friendly tone and 3 tips. ChatGPT isn't mind reading. Yet. So help it help you. So, to recap, be clear, be specific, give it vibes, and don't ask it to do your taxes. Want to see how I use ChatGPT to write full YouTube scripts or automate replies? Hit that like and let me know. Down in the comments or just type part 2 please in all cap. That always works. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious, stay lazy, peace.